Have you noticed? British retirees are slowly disappearing from the landscape, not because they've gone on a cruise, but because they're fleeing. Fleeing the cold, fleeing loneliness, fleeing a country that no longer allows them to grow old with dignity. Today, we'll explain why thousands of seniors are leaving the UK every year, and where they choose to start over. Part 1. A country unfit for retirement. Let's start with the facts. In 2025, the UK state pension is around £884 per month, and just with electricity, food, and local taxes, a large chunk is already gone. The cost of living crisis affects everyone, but for retirees, it's an open-air trap. Many live alone in cold, outdated homes poorly suited to their age. And when you get ill, the NHS, once a national pride, is now on its knees. Months of waiting for an appointment overwhelmed services. Growing old in the UK in 2025 is no longer a promise of rest, it has become a daily struggle. Part 2. An escape towards freedom. So they leave, more and more every year. Tens of thousands of British retirees are moving abroad. Why? For the climate, for a lower cost of living, for more accessible healthcare, for suitable and affordable housing, but most of all, to regain a sense of dignity. Part 3. Where are they actually going? Here are the favorite destinations for British retirees in 2025. 1. Spain, mild climate, reasonable cost of living, large English-speaking community, quality health care. 2. Portugal, favorable tax system, access to public health care, relaxed atmosphere. 3. France, cultural proximity, very affordable rural housing, high-quality medical care. 4. Cyprus, year-round sunshine, attractive tax system, peaceful environment. 5. Thailand, extremely low cost of living, affordable private health care, comfortable lifestyle. Part 4. Real stories. These aren't just statistics. These are lives. Men and women who worked their whole lives, and who had to choose between enduring their retirement or living it elsewhere.
I never wanted to leave my country, but at 72, I had to choose between heating and eating. In Spain, I finally live, without counting every penny.
My hip had been hurting for months. The NHS put me on a 14-week waiting list. In Thailand, I had surgery in 4 days. No stress. No debt.
I thought leaving meant running away, but actually it meant taking back control. Now I wake up every morning with a smile.
These testimonies all have one thing in common. It's not about age. It's not about wealth. It's about choice. It's about respect. They're not trying to escape their country, but a system that no longer respects them. And the real question is, why must you leave the UK to enjoy a decent retirement? The UK is no longer a country where you can age peacefully without a plan. What these retirees realized before others is that nothing changes if you don't move. There are countries where your pension is enough, places where elders are respected, where you can see a doctor without begging, where you can enjoy sunshine, peace, and life. Maybe it's time you, too, think about your plan B, not to run away, but to give yourself the life you truly deserve.